I'm Trinity, and I believe that water is wet. I didn't look at this through the scientific lens. I did it based off of nouns and adjectives. We all know that a noun is a person, place, or thing, and in this case, it would be our thing being water. Water is our noun. And then an adjective is a word that describes something. So wetness or wet would be our adjective. I think people confuse this question with, is wetness water? That's why they can't answer it. But if you use nouns and adjectives to answer the actual question, you'll see it's actually simple. Our adjective wet doesn't exist unless you have a fluid with a viscosity like water that will leave it behind. Therefore, water has to be wet. Wet is the characteristic of water. Anywhere you move water, you can put it in a cup, you can put it on your towel, you can put it in your hair. The sensation left behind is going to be wet because of that water. A real life example of this would be, say you have an ice cube and the feeling you get from it is a cold temperature on your hand. Like say it sat on your hand, now your hand is cold. Just because it's ice does not mean that ice is not cold. That ice is always going to be cold because that's what ice is. For our water, water is always going to be water, but it's also going to have that wetness feeling every time because that's what makes up what water is. Water is wet. Thanks for listening.